Run Lazarus IDE. Here my form, save, desktop, drag move, save. Since caption, drag move by programming ABC. Change form color as your wish. On mouse down, on mouse move, on mouse up. These three events are needed to drag move. Mouse is down, Boolean. Position X, PX, PY, integer. From mouse down, if button equal and be left, then mouse button left, then being mouse is down, true. PX X Y. From mouse move, on we move mouse with from if mouse is down, then being set bound. From one left plus first bracket x minus px. From on top plus y minus py. From one e height integer. This from one dot y, from one dot height, bracket close. From mouse move, from mouse up, mouse is down, false. Compile. It's moving, it's working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.